my name is Chi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching Petite dressing. If you are new to my channel, I am 5'2". I upload videos every week to talk about petite style tips and anything in fashion that short ladies are interested in. If you are new, subscribe to my channel. You will get a notice every time I upload a new video. I welcome your comments after you watch this video. Leave me a comment below and tell me your thoughts and your questions. Today's video is how to make your legs look longer. This is a question that every short girl wondering on their mind at some point in their life. I certainly went through that stage. Whether or not you want to look taller, that's not the main question, but we always want our legs to look longer in our proportion to look better. I'm about to tell you the 9 ways that can make your legs look longer. Make sure you stay with me till the end of this video because the last tip I'm going to tell you, very few people know about it, but it's so important and it really works like magic. Now let's get started. First, wear high-waisted style. It could be high-waisted skirts, high-waisted pants, or high-waisted jeans. Anything that has a high-waisted design will make your legs look longer. The reason is the high-waisted design sits higher than your natural waist. So it makes your torso look shorter and your legs look longer. That's why it works wonders for petite ladies like us. And number 2, wear a cropped jacket. The reason the cropped jacket can make your legs look longer is that it makes your top look shorter. When your torso looks shorter, that automatically makes the eyes into believing your legs are longer. So that's why crop jacket is such an important piece in our closet for the short ladies. With a crop jacket, the best way to style it is to wear with a longer bottoms. That way you can create the ideal proportion of 1/3 on the top and 2/3 at the bottom. That's what our eyes like, and that will look the most pleasant to our eyes. A crop jacket is also very versatile. You can wear it with jeans or pants or skirts. Anything you want to style, you just want to make sure the length of your jacket is a crop length in order to make your legs look longer. Number 3, make sure the color of your shoes is the same color as your jeans or your pants. And the reason this will make your legs look longer is that it forms that unbroken vertical line for your legs. Makes your shoes look like an extension of your legs. That's why it makes your proportion look better. In the winter, what you want to do is to wear dark jeans or black pants and wear them with black shoes or black boots. Or you can wear a tight, skinny black jeans and wear over the knee tall or knee-high tall boots on top of it. That will make your legs look super long. And you are wearing skirts or dresses in the spring or in the fall, you want to wear black leggings underneath and wear black shoes, black heels, and will make your legs look longer. Number 4, wear a short skirt. This is the most classic way to make our legs look longer. When your skirt is above the knee, that is the ideal length for our legs to look longer. In recent years, midi length is very much on trend and you see them everywhere, but that is not the best length. It doesn't elongate our legs as much as a mini skirt. So midi length is a harder length for petite women to pull off. If you can, go with a mini skirt. If you, for some reason, you don't want to wear the miniskirt, then don't worry, there are plenty of other ways that you can learn from this video to make your legs look longer. Wear nude color shoes. Nude color shoes are one of the most flattering shoes for short ladies. And the reason is the nude color shoes blends with the color of your skin. That is why it creates the illusion of longer legs. A nude color shoes is a must-have item for your summer closet or your spring closet because it goes with pretty much anything that you wear in the spring and the summer. It doesn't necessarily have to be heels. For instance, in my closet, I have nude color flats, sandals, and nude color pumps. Anything that blends with the color of your skin will look super flattering for petite ladies and will make your legs look longer. Wear vertical stripes. Anything that goes up and down will draw the eyes up and down. And that is why vertical stripes can create the illusion of height. And pants with vertical stripes that has a lengthening effect that will make your legs look longer. If you're wearing dresses with vertical stripes, that does the same thing. It's very flattering for shorter women. Wear pointed toe shoes. Pointed toe is the most flattering toe shape for petite ladies. If you haven't noticed, this 1 inch of difference on the toe actually makes a whole world of difference for your outfit. If you compare a pair of pointed toe shoes with a pair of square toe shoes, it makes a big difference. The pointed toe shoes make your legs look so much longer, so do not underlook this 1 inch of difference. Wear maxi dresses. Sometimes I get a lot of questions on, I am petite, can I wear a maxi dress? Is maxi dress just for the taller girls? It's easy to come across that way because maxi dresses are long. It might look intimidating for someone who is not tall. However, maxi dresses is one of the most flattering dresses for petite ladies. If you want your legs to look longer, maxi dresses can really do it for you. The reason is the maxi dress creates a long, unbroken vertical line and it adds length to the body of a short girl. That is why it does such a wonderful job to make your legs look longer and make a short lady look taller. The last but the most important part that not a lot of people know about is to wear 3/4 sleeves. It may sound odd to you, and it's hard for me to explain why this works, but it actually works really, really well on short women. The 1 or 2 inches of difference in your sleeves can make a huge difference. If you wear a 3/4 sleeves, it elongates your legs. A lot of petite women have shorter arms and shorter legs. When you're wearing 3/4 sleeves, it creates space around your arms. Not only that make your arms look longer, it also magically makes your legs look longer. If you have not tried this, make sure you check it out and try it today. Now, the same concept. If your dress or your top is not 3/4 sleeve, for instance, if you are wearing a coat, most of the coat or the jacket do not have 3/4 sleeves, then what should you do? You can roll up your sleeves. That works the same way. So try it out today and you will discover that your legs are instantly longer once you roll up your sleeves. How many of the tricks have you known and how many of them have you tried before? Leave me a comment below and let me know, and watch another video. Let me know what you think.